Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Once again, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wide Loop Robotech and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to use on-board temperature sensor of Raspberry Pi Pico board with MicroPython programming. We will print temperature value on OLED display. So let us get started step by step. For this project, we require the component Raspberry Pi Pico board, SSD 1306 OLED display, some jumper wires, and breadboard. This is schematic diagram. I am using here one Raspberry Pi Pico board and one OLED display and some jumper wire and breadboard. So here you can see VCC is connected on 3.3 volt output. It is 36 number of pin of Raspberry Pi Pico board, and SDA pin is connected to first number of Raspberry Pi Pico board. This is SDA pin, and SCL pin is connected to second number of Raspberry Pi Pico board. This is SCL pin, and ground pin is connected to ground OLED display. So I hope you understood this. Now we will follow this schematic diagram to make hardware connection. First I will take breadboard and Raspberry Pi Pico board. I will connect with breadboard, and I will take OLED display, and I will take jumper wire. I will connect this jumper wire with OLED. Okay, you can see white wire is VCC and blue wire is ground, green is SCL and yellow wire is SDA. White wire I will connect on 3.3 volt output, and ground pin I will connect with ground. Ground pin is blue, and SCL pin I will connect on second number of Raspberry Pi Pico board, and SDA pin I will connect on first number of Raspberry Pi Pico board. Okay, now hardware is ready. Now we will start programming. So I will open Tony IDE. Stop this. First of all, I will install SSD 1306 driver for OLED display. Install this. Okay, and close. Okay, this is right library. Now we will create another file. So it is main.py. I will save this. Okay, I will program here. So first of all, I will import I2C pin and ADC class from machine library. So from machine, import I2C pin and ADC. Okay. Now I will import sleep class from time library. Okay. Now I will import SSD1306 underscore I2C class from SSD1306 library. So from SSD1306 import SSD1306 underscore I2C. Okay. Now I will read the ADC data from sensor. Okay. So to understand this, we will go to datasheet. So I will open here browser and search Raspberry Pi Pico. Click over here. This is official website. Go to documentation. So go to datasheet, RP2040 datasheet. Okay. And go to peripherals and ADC and temperature sensor. Okay. So here we will see where it is. Yeah. Temperature sensor measure the VBE voltage of biased bipolar diode. Okay. It means it will measure the voltage of VBE. Okay. It is connected to fifth ADC channel, means AINSEL4. Okay. So we will read here sensor underscore data equal to ADC 4. Okay. Now we will go to there again. So first of all, we have to read ADC voltage. To read the ADC voltage, we require the conversion factor. Okay. Okay. Its reference voltage is 3.3 voltage and it is 16-bit ADC. For the 16-bit, so it will be 65535. Okay. Now we have to initialize I2C protocol. So I2C assigned by I2C class, and we will use 0 channel, and SDA pin is connected on GPIO 0 and SCL pin is connected on GPIO 1. Okay. Now its frequency will be 4 lakh hertz. Okay. Now we will initialize OLED display. Here we will pass SST1306 and we will pass here this is the length and height is 64 and I2C. Okay, here it will be underscore I2C. Okay, now we will use while loop. So while it will be true, here we will calculate sensor voltage. So sensor voltage will be sensor data dot read underscore U16 16-bit ADC. Okay, and multiply by conversion factor. Okay, now we have to use formula. So temperature will be, there is formula in datasheet. This is formula how to calculate temperature. So I will use this. I will copy and paste here. Okay, so I will remove this DC underscore voltage. Okay, now I will print here temperature. Once I will run this program, here it is showing problem. Okay, oh, here it is semicolon, sorry. Now click on run button. Okay, again run. At number it will be capital letter. Again run. Wow, it is printing temperature. So now I will print this temperature on OLED display. OLED dot fill, it is 0, and again OLED dot text I will use here welcome to, and it will, and here we will decide the coordinate. So it will be 20, 0, and again OLED dot text white loop robo take, and its coordinate will be 0, means from 0, and y will be 12. Okay, and again OLED dot text temp plus str, it will be t comma 10 comma 30. Okay, now let dot show function is called to print the data, and delay means sleep function 0.5 second, means 0.5 second. Okay, so I think program is ready. Now I will upload the program. What is problem? 16 number. Here it will be comma, and again upload the program. Wow, it is printing here. Temperature is 30.32 degrees Celsius. Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like this video, you can support me on PayPal. My PayPal account is given in description box, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.